when others were asked, even though Ayatollah Kashmiri himself was Kamilin, part of the Kamilin, but he was asked, who's the best teacher of Irfan? He says, living at the moment, Ayatollah Bahjat. When he was asked, who were the top students? Now remember, Syed Ali Qadi's students were who? Allama Tabatabai, Hassan Alahi, Ali Muhammad Burajardi, Abbas Kashani, Ayatollah Bahjat, etc., etc., etc. So he was asked, even Ayatollah Khoui, for a short period of time, was a student of Syed Ali Qadi Marhum. So the question was asked, who are the best students of Ayatollah Qadi? Ayatollah Kashmir said 3 people. It says Ali Muhammad Burajardi, or Bahjat. And the third one, who they called Qadi Thani, was who? Syed Ahmed Kashmiri. If you go to Srinagar today, he's buried there. Stories say that he had the ability, Maut Ikhtiyari, whenever he wanted, his soul would go into Malakut. He was the second Qadi. And after Najaf, he went back to Srinagar where he resided, where he's buried. Another student of Qadi, said Hassan Masqati, is also buried in India. He's buried in Hyderabad. So in this way you found, these are the students, Kamilin. And within this line, Kamilin, their job was really to help people on this pathway. Now you can ask me a question. Well, today, there's nobody around. What do we do? After Ayatollah Bahjat, all of those students from the line of Qadi have disappeared. Yes, maybe there was somebody in Najaf, Sheikh Abd, he's passed away now. And there's a second as well, which people most probably don't know about, nor am I going to mention his name until they don't declare it themselves. But the fact of the matter is this. People can say, well, people like that are not around anymore. You don't need people like that to come in front of your face. You have to build yourself so that the 12th Imam sends people to you. You have to build yourself up. Some people will say, well, we're at a disadvantage in time of Najaf, they were X, Y, Z. Okay, they were. They say ulama of Najaf in the olden days had 3 abilities. One ability they had, ilm Jafr. One ability they had, Tay al-Ard.